If you want to learn how to install or take out a snap button, watch this video. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Sauce Gang? It's your boy, Sauce Boss, back in the building again, and you guessed it, with another dope project. Today, we just gonna do a real quick tutorial on how to install a snap button or remove a snap button in case you want to just put a different color snap button in. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's not gonna take too long. So no further ado, let's get over to the table of greatness so you can see everything you would need to make this happen. Let's go. So to actually do this, to install or take out a snap button, what you'll need, so if you have a jacket, like I have a jacket right here, and one of the snap buttons came out, so I'm going to replace this with a new one, but I'm going to show you how to install and how to take out if you want to change colors or whatever like that. So what you'll need is, I bought this little toolkit. I ordered this off of eBay, or you can get it off of Amazon. It has snap buttons in it, different colors and everything like that. It comes with and all these other little different devices that came along with the toolkit. But you're gonna need to actually, if you're making a new hole for a snap button, you're gonna actually need to get a hole puncher. I ordered this off of eBay too, but you can find it off of Amazon as well. You know, you're gonna need a hammer, and you're gonna need a drill for this. So let's get right into it. Let me show you. So basically, there are different types of snap buttons. So as you can see, I already got this one set out. It's going to be a 4-part snap button. As you can see, this part is going to attach to this like that, and this part is going to go like that with this snap button. And I'll show you how to do it. As you can see, this one is a little bit different, as you can see. So as you can see, the hole is already there. The snap came out already. So what I'm going to do is, you're going to take this side, you're going to push it through, right? Make sure it's not going through, like that, like so. And then you will attach it like that. But in doing so, as you can see, piece. And then you want to take the part that actually has the indentation in it, and you want to actually put it over this like that. As you can see, I got everything attached like that. Now you're going to take your hammer and you're going to get it a good hit. Like that. Gonna remove this. Boom. Now I got a new snap right there so it can close, as you can see. Like, okay. So now let's just take this fabric here. So we're gonna repeat the process. So let's take another one, so I can show you how it actually opens and closes. I'm going to first install it, then I'm going to drill it out to show you how you take it out to replace it if you want to do another one. So this is how it works. So if you have a fabric, or you're making a jacket, or you want to make some snap buttons, you'll take this, you'll go to your settings. So we'll go like right there. No, you always want to go with smaller holes, and then push it through so you don't make the holes too big, and then the whole button just pushes through the hole. So you'll punch the hole like this. Let's make it a little. Give it some firm pressure. As you can see, it made the hole. That's the hole we'll be using. So now we're gonna go with this one. Push it through like that. that. Now for this one, we're gonna use this one because it fits right on top of there. Couple good hits. One more for good measure. So, like so, you gotta punch another hole on this side. So let me show you. Now you gotta punch another hole. The hole is made. Now, push it through. Just want to make sure everything is right. So you'll push it back in there like that. Make sure it's in there really good. Some good hits. And that's how it is. And you see, it's in there on both sides. So it snaps together. As you can see, it's very strong. So you gotta. So you see, both sides, and that is how you install a snap button. If you want to, let's just say, if you don't like this color and you want to install this color, so what you would do is, let's just take it apart. So this is the part that you'll get your drill. So you'll take your drill with your drill bit and you'll drill the hole out. You'll drill it out until it falls out and then you'll be able to replace it. So let me just show you how you do that. And that's how it will come apart. Just like that. And then if you want to replace it with another one, let's just show you. So it'd be like that. Like that. Same process as you did before, installing this one. And then, of course, these are two separate ones, but you'll use the other side. You'll do the same to both sides. So you just change the color, see? And that's how you'll do it. So hopefully this helps you out. So this is how you install and take out a snap button. I really hope that you enjoyed that little tutorial on how to install and take out a snap button. Hopefully this will help you with your projects at home. And if you have that jacket that's been sitting in the closet and the button been broke, now you can get to it and fix it and start rocking that jacket again like it's new to you. But hey, thank you for watching. If you like this, make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? But no further ado, never stop striving, never stop dreaming, never stop designing. It's your boy, Sauce Boss. Until the next time, I'm out. Arr.